Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how to add overlay on CapCut for PC. So before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and notification bell so you can getting more videos update. Okay, I already have one clip here and I'm going to add the overlay. Just select the element that you want to make as an overlay. For example, just drag and put above this clip. Okay. uh, and then you can resize and just for the position like this. If you want to add overlay again, just do as before like this. It's very simple. Okay, let's try again. That's how to add overlay on CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. You can click this button for this. Bye bye.